got free spins on 10 cent nom $5 bet on high stakes lightning link. Let's see if we can get us a chip in the middle. Nope, come on, something good. Alright, we got 5 behind cards. Alright, come on. Chip. Come on. Come on, guess chip. Chip, chip, chip. Come on, chip. Alright, $300 chip. Alright. There are the progressives. Oh, there's the progressives. Majors 8,000. Let's see if we can get that. Come on. Another chip. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Fill it up. Come on. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. Alright. Alright, $330. Alright, 413. Let's do a backup. Alright, one more. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm holding spin on 10 cent a nom, $5 bet. Got a $100 ball on there. There are the progressives. Let's see what we get. Come on. Land it. Something. Thank you. Come on. Something else with words. Come on, land some words. Land some words. Save it. Save it. $235. Not bad on a $5 bet. Let's do a backup. One more. Alright, thanks for watching. Hold and spin on 10 cent a nom, $5 bet. Here are the progressives.